What's going on, bro Cephas? Got an easy one today. The old dishwasher's making a racket. You hear something bouncing around in there, especially when you drain it. Yeah, hear that grinding? It gets worse. It comes and goes and it gets worse. It's a GE dishwasher, but you hang around this field long enough, you realize it's all the same stuff in a different box, so I'll show you how to fix it. This would be a nice, quick, easy fix for you new guys. If you want to get down on some work orders, I'm gonna pull this out. Let's pull that out of that hole there. I'm gonna take these screws out. Something's in here. It's usually like a cup rivet or something like that. Let's pull that screw out and then do it on the other side over here. Easy one for you new guys to start on. But be careful because it might put you on call afterwards. That's what happened to me anyway. I did a couple of toilet flappers and a fill valve, and boom, next thing I know I was on call. No AC experience or anything. They just threw me to the wolves. Oh, look at that. Oh, well, that might be the culprit. A little chopstick or something. We'll dive deeper. Pretty nasty, man. Yeah, I was thrown to the wolves. At the time, I was pretty upset. It's like, man, I don't have any AC experience or anything. Y'all just gonna put me on call? Because I did a toilet flapper and a couple of fill valves? But now I'm pretty, I'm glad they did it. Oh, what is that? Looks like they must have come off the end of one of these. Little protective thing. That's all I can fill in there though. I think we're gonna be good. So that's pretty much it. Just pull the old basket off and fill around in here. And sometimes I gotta hit it with my little shop vac and just suck up whatever's in there. It usually gets it. All right, we'll put it back together. I like these easy ones. Pop that back down in the hole. Screw it back down. Alright, tighten the other side. It's nice and secure. Cool. Get my light out of there. Oh yeah, that's better. I mean, you could hear it as soon as it would turn on earlier. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit, put it in drain. That's when it was really bad, when it would drain. All right, it's been nice and quiet so far. Put it in drain. There we go. Oh yeah, we're good to go now, bro Cephas. All right, that's a nice, easy one for you new guys. Get down on some dishwasher work orders. That's where I'd start. Just pull the old basket out and get the junk out of there. I saw that floating around in there too. That and a wooden chopstick or something. All right, that's it. Thank y'all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.